My name is Carol, and I'm a natural resources conservation.
My name is Alea, and I'm a natural resource conservation major.
Hi, my name is Matt, and this project covers our Bioblitz at Beaver Brook.
Before we begin, we would like to acknowledge that Beaver Brook, like UMass, is located on the traditional lands of the Nipmuc and Pecumtuck people. We hope that the rewilding of Beaver Brook can also be a first step in decolonization, indigenous sovereignty, and allowing the indigenous communities who are here today to reconnect with the land.
Beaver Brook is a former golf course in Williamsburg and Northampton that was recently purchased by the Trustees of Reservations, which is a conservation organization that manages over 27,000 acres across Massachusetts. In 2025, the trustees in Hilltown Land Trust raised about $1.5 million to acquire roughly 280 acres of land and begin rewilding it into a conservation and recreation area. To visualize that, 280 acres is about the size of 200 football fields. This rewilding effort is also a climate resilience project aimed to restore wetlands, reduce downstream flooding, and support wildlife habitat. Because golf courses rely heavily on intensive mowing and fertilizers, part of the goal now is to reverse years of ecological stress and let native species come back. Our group visited Beaver Brook during this transition and conducted what's called a Bioblitz, which is a focused effort to document as many species as possible in a specific place and time. Using iNaturalist, we walked through different parts of the property, photographed plants and animals we found, and then uploaded our observations with tags. We collected numerous plant and animal species, many of which can be seen in the background of this video, and helped create an early snapshot of what biodiversity is returning to the site already.
Civic engagement is a group effort where a community comes together to make a difference. This can be done through actions such as voting in elections, community organization, and volunteer work. Civic engagement is important because it can help build and improve our communities. It can also help amplify the voices of marginalized groups, which is especially important when it comes to climate justice.
Environmental leadership is important because it guides how we care for the natural world and how we respond to challenges like climate change, habitat loss, and pollution. Strong environmental leaders help communities make informed decisions about land, water, and wildlife, and they bring people together to take meaningful action. In the end, our time at Beaver Brook showed us what civic engagement really looks like in a practice. By documenting species on iNaturalist, we contributed small pieces of data that will support a much larger conservation effort. It taught us that even simple actions like showing up, observing, and caring for a place can help drive real environmental change.